What a smart rapper. Do these 7 things I'm about to tell you. It's gonna make your music better. You're gonna make more music. It's gonna get easier. Just little things, remember? Little things add up. Let's talk about it. These tricks are gonna be the things that give you that little 2 to 5% difference in actually increasing the speed and output of you being able to make music, okay? Because I'm all about efficiency, doing the little things that make everything better. And that's what I'm gonna tell you today. So as minuscule as it might seem to you, this all adds up, and I'm telling you from personal experience, it's gonna help you a lot. These really small things. All you really need to do is pretty much copy and paste the settings that I'm gonna tell you how to do. So little things, let's just get into it. Number 1, you need to increase the speed at which your mouse cursor moves. It takes you 2 seconds to set up, and then you get used to it over time, okay? Trust me, it seems small, but that slight hand movement, it's a little tiny thing that's gonna increase the speed at which you're gonna be able to move around in the programs, in any software, and also subconsciously it's gonna increase the speed at which your brain moves when you're doing these things, believe it or not, okay? Number 2, and this is really interesting, I've actually never seen anybody else do this except for me, I mean, but there's not really anybody else teaching artists, and I just highly doubt anybody ever did this, but number 2, if you don't know, whether you're in a Mac, you're in a Windows, you can set your computer's auto task to make your folders or to make any website for anything pop up automatically, because when you preset a task, it can do something that you would do yourself, right? So let me give you an example. When I'm in music mode, I preset my computer to actually automatically open a shortcut that leads to a beat website, okay? This way, without me even have to make the decision to work on music, at an exact time, the computer will automatically pop up the exact beat page so I can start going through beats. It removes this step of starting. It's already in my face.
Bing bong.
Think about that. That's really smart, because the biggest part is you actually having to start, right? And you can do this with making Pro Tools open. You can do this with making a specific session for a song open. You can do this for a lot of things. Anything that you do yourself, you could preset the computer to do it for you so that you don't have to take that step and you actually get more work done. This is tremendously useful. And also, it saves you a lot of effort and energy about even having to think about doing it. It's done. And you can set it to do it every single day at the same time and work on music every day at the same time, okay? Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is completely clean up your entire desktop and organize all of the songs, files, and folders so that you can access and find them easy. I see a lot of people, their shit is just all over the place on their computer, on their phone. Everything needs to be exactly where it needs to be, so you know exactly where it is, and you can immediately click it. Like, it sounds like something very small and very minuscule, but I'll tell you right now, I have a masterclass on doing this and setting up lyrics and organizing everything, and I'm saying right now, people, they're like, whoa, I never would have thought about. That's crazy how helpful this stuff is.
He ain't lying.
So what you do is you keep a batch of folders that are music in a very small batch on your desktop. You keep a batch of, like me, when I'm making my own beats and stuff like that, I put the samples in a specific area. I put the videos I'm editing in a specific area. Stuff like that. I put my marketing stuff in a specific area. So when you do this, it just really organizes everything. When you have everything all over your desktop, it's just trash. I mean, your brain is scattered the way that desktop looks, and that's not good. You need to organize just, it's not even hard to do. Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it, let's get back to the video. Number 4, I shouldn't even have to say this if you're serious, but I mean, I know a lot of you probably won't take this the way that you need to, but if you really want to do music, your ass needs to delete anything from your computer that could possibly distract you. That's number 4, delete games.
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
If anything, clean up and delete those old useless files that are slowing your computer down. So if anything, increase the speed at which your computer moves. I recommend you remove games, okay? I was getting kind of addicted playing Super Smash Brothers with my employees in the other room, okay? Because we were playing it every day at lunchtime. I made the justification that was just for team morale. We're playing a game, we love doing it. That just became addictive. Guess what I did? Threw away the game system.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I threw it away, and I apologize to them. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do this. Like, it's just freaking. It's a waste of our time, okay? Because it would go over at lunchtime every time we're playing, because we want to keep playing. You know what I'm saying? Maybe only 10 minutes, but when you have 3 employees at 10 minutes, that's 30 minutes times 5. That's like, I'm paying for that time, right? Now you're not doing this, but you're paying for it with your time. When you're playing games, you could be working on music. If it doesn't exist in front of you, you won't waste your time on it. So I threw away the system. Same thing I do with anything. If a girl's wasting my time, I block her. If something's annoying and is broken, I throw it away. Okay? Games can be deleted. All right, let's keep going. Now this may seem like a duh, but number 5, before you ever work on anything, turn off every other program so that your editing software, your Pro Tools, your Ableton, if you're editing video, whatever you're doing, runs seamlessly and as quickly as possible for the best possible workflow. Now you may think your stuff's running as fast as it can, but if you clean off everything and you make sure that your RAM's all clear and you make sure everything's good to go, you clean off your hard drive, get rid of those games and everything, your computer runs faster. I cannot stand a slow computer. That's number 1. I can't stand slow technology. Number 1 in my life. Number 2, I cannot stand wet socks. Number 3, I can't stand drama. Those in that order, okay? Seriously, I cannot handle slow computers. My brain moves too fast. And if you're like me, your brain's, you working, right? So speed up this stuff. Do what I'm telling you to do right now. It's super easy. It's just all this stuff right here. It takes less than 5 minutes. Man, did you subscribe yet? Number 6, and you should be doing this anyway, especially do this with your phone as well, but you do it on your computer. If you're on the internet, you need to turn off the internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's hardwired, disconnect it. Okay, if you're gonna work on music and you don't need to be online, like you're not looking through beats or anything else like that, because this means that there's an extra step for you getting online. And that extra step, most of us, we're not gonna take that extra step. Like, oh, I gotta turn the internet back on to go over here to do this. If you simply do something like click, turn off the internet, it's gonna help you stay focused and working on music. Like, believe it or not, these little things add up, man. Number 7, install a sticky notes type of app or widget, okay? And here's why. I have sticky notes, notepads all over my desktop, and this is to instantly be able to type in ideas, lyrics, and more, and I use a ton of these, and it helps me every single day. So here's the thing, if you have an idea for a song, an idea for a lyric, or an idea on something that's really smart for marketing, or you have an idea on a music video, anything that you have an idea for, if you're not writing these ideas down, you are losing out. You have so many good ideas every day, and you know it, and you're probably listening to me say this right now thinking, damn, he's right, I should be doing that. All you have to do is install sticky notes. It's free, all right? You got sticky notes, you got color notepad. On my phone, I got color notepad. You have to have these notes so that you can take these notes as you learn information or as you have ideas. If you don't, you're really missing out. You could have an amazing song idea. You don't write it down, it's gone, okay? So install sticky notes. It's gonna help you get more ideas in. It's gonna help you make songs easier because you're gonna have more song names and more lyrics. You have everything like that, okay? So install sticky notes, all right? You got questions, I got the answers. I'm Rob Level. I'm a music artist just like you, and you just got a little bit smarter. Make sure you click the links below and check out the Music Industry Shortcut, and you're gonna learn a tremendous amount. I give you the Spotify contacts, I give you the music industry contacts, I give you all these things. As soon as you sign up, I give you all that stuff, okay? And then plus more, all kinds of stuff. You need to go check it out, right? So click the link below or go to musicindustryshortcut.com. So click the link that's in the top comment or click the link that's in the description, okay? Everybody's getting in there. Don't be the only artist that's not in there, okay? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top.